In this lesson, we're going to be looking at the exterior angle theorem and how the remote interior angles of a triangle compare to the exterior angle of a triangle. So first, interior angles are all inside of the triangle. Exterior angles are outside of the triangle, and they always form a linear pair with one of the interior angles. So in this figure, Z is an exterior angle, X, Y, and that unmarked angle, they're all interior angles. X, Y, X and Y are referred to as the remote interior angles. The two interior angles that do not form a linear pair with the exterior angle are called remote interior angles. And the exterior angle is always equal to the sum of the remote interior angles. So using that exterior angle theorem, we would set x plus 35 equal to 55. Solve for x by subtracting 35 from both sides, and we get x equals 20. And again, using the exterior angle theorem, we would add the two remote interior angles and set it equal to the exterior angle. Combine the like terms and then subtract 53 from both sides. Subtract 13x from both sides. And then we want to subtract 4 from both sides. Lastly, divide both sides by 7, and we get x equals 7. In this example, again, we want to add the two remote interior angles and set that sum equal to the exterior angle. Combine the like terms, and then subtract 8 from both sides. Lastly, divide both sides by 17, and we get x equals 7. Again, add the two remote interior angles, set it equal to the exterior angle. Combine the like terms. We want to get the variables on the same side, so we're going to subtract 15x from both sides. And then add 3 to both sides. Lastly, divide both sides by 7. We get x equals 6. And then we're told to find the measure of angle UDC, so we're going to plug in 6 into the expression for angle UDC. That will give us 22 times 6 minus 3, or 129.